Welcome to Competitive Wisdom.
Which specialized structure helps desert plants reduce water loss? What is the primary function of the nictitating membrane in amphibians and birds? Which part of a fish is responsible for detecting vibrations in the surrounding water? In which animal would you find a specialized structure called a gizzard for grinding food? The main function of spiracles in insects is to Which type of plant tissue is responsible for the transport of nutrients and organic compounds? What is the primary function of mitochondria in animal cells? Which part of the plant is responsible for transpiration? Which of the following parts of a flower develops into a fruit after fertilization? Which plant hormone is responsible for fruit ripening? What is the function of chloroplasts in plant cells? What is the main function of the villi in the small intestine? In which plant organ is starch primarily stored? What is the function of the Jack-Busson's organ in snakes? Which of the following helps aquatic mammals like whales and dolphins store oxygen for deep dives? How do echolocation signals help bats navigate? Which part of a plant embryo develops into the root? What helps a starfish regenerate lost arms? What helps penguins stay warm in freezing temperatures? Which of the following helps a kangaroo rat survive in the desert? Why do chameleons change color? Which animal uses its tentacles to catch prey? What is the main function of the swim bladder in fish? Which part of the plant helps it breathe by taking in carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen? Which of these is not a function of an animal's circulatory system? Imagine an animal with a very long, sticky tongue. What might be a reasonable inference about its diet? What is the relationship between producers and consumers in a food chain? If a plant's stomata remained permanently closed, what would be the most immediate consequence? Which analogy best describes the relationship between a plant's roots and its leaves?
Thanks for joining us today. Get ready for more exciting content on GK, intelligence, maths, and language. Subscribe now to stay updated and keep learning with us. Thank you.